Here is a very quick tutorial about how to use Facebook Scheduler in your groups. So I'm actually in our Team Superstars group, and let's pretend that I want to put a graphic or a post as if this were maybe a show. And I want to tell people that my business is open 24/7. So I would say, like, thank you for attending the party. Can't wait to okay. Now, if you're trying to do your posts ahead of time because you're not using a scheduling service like Post My Party or SendShare, then what you're going to do is you're going to look down here and you're going to click this little clock next to the word post. And you're going to decide what day and what time you want to do this. So if it's for today, I want to say that it makes you go at least an hour out. So what you can do is select, what time you want this to go, and then you're going to hit schedule, and it can go away. Now what I'm going to do is, if you want to take a look at all of your scheduled posts, refresh your page, and you're going to see right here, I guess you didn't even have to refresh it, it came up, one scheduled post. You could go in and you can edit and adjust those. The only thing you cannot adjust is if you have a poll. If you have set up a poll, you can adjust when it posts, but you can't edit anything about it or it makes the poll disappear. Let's say I want to change either the words or my graphic. I selected edit post, and then I can do that right here. Change out the graphic, change the words, and hit save. Or let's say that I'm realizing, oh my gosh, I really need this post to go in. And this is a workaround. If you didn't want your post to go in as immediately as when you created it, but you don't want to wait an hour, you can go back in and select post now. You can delete it completely. And hopefully you don't need to do any of the other new things to this. But anyway, so that's what you can do if you've already got them set up and then you realize, oh wait, I want to use a different graphic or I want to say something different in the post. So that's it. Super easy. All right.